Okay, next, go database storage and Firestore. Create database. Standard, okay. Okay, choose location. I choose Taiwan, Hong Kong. Okay, Hong Kong. Next, production. We use this one. I use test mode. Create. Okay, 我是香港人。Billing. Okay, I go this URL. Enable billing. Go. Okay, and back. I already enabled billing, and I try again. Create. Database already exists. Please use another database already exists. Head back. And Firestore. Refresh. Okay, database already created. Okay. And next, back cursor and Firebase.ts. We use const db. Export const db equals guide Firestore. Use this app from Firebase Firestore. Save. Okay, and go Firebase. They have rules. Okay, allow read and write false. Okay, we'll give true. Publish. Okay, this means everyone can read and write data in this database. So this is for the demo. Okay. Yes, you give this. So anyone can still modify, delete data in the database. Yes, I just no rules. Just open it and go here and we use cursor. Okay, cursor. Create a simple to-do list. And no need auth. And this Firebase DB CRUD. Go. Okay, the first is page, and they'll give a new component to-do list. Okay, keep. And the component is the to-do list. Okay, save. And go Next.js 3000 refresh. Okay, Firebase to-do list CRUD. No to-do yet. Okay. add to do. Okay, to do one. Adding got to do one. Okay, and toggle. Okay, and we go Firebase Firestore. We can see this to dos, and the ID completed true because to do one created that. Yes. So click again. This should be false. Refresh. It's false. Yes. And delete. It's gone. So okay, no to dos. That's it. CRUD. So cursor the code. See. Okay. So to do collection, use collection DB from Firebase. We call it to dos. Okay, to do collection, and I'll give it type ID string, text string, completed boolean, and state. Use state to dos input loading reading errors, and use effect. Okay. Use effect. Okay. Const to do query. Query this to do order by created at. We got this to do query, and unsubscribe is an onSnapshot. Okay, snapshot const next to the snapshot docs map every doc. I got data. Okay, return this one, and set to dos next to dos. It's a to dos. Next to dos is a next to dos. Okay. Snapshot doc, every doc we give it data to do doc.data as completed boolean text string this type, and the return ID we need to add ID doc.id and text data.text and completed boolean this, and the return tar everyone return tar. So that is an array. To dos is an array, so we set to dos next to dos. And unsubscribe onSnapshot, it means the database have changed. It will onSnapshot get the change, and no need to refresh. No need to refresh the page. Okay, and return unsubscribe is remove this when the component unmount. Okay, this is the use effect. Okay, use effect. Set up a listener to get the to-dos. Okay, next, remaining count. Use memo. To-dos filter to-do. Okay, when to-dos change, when this to-do state change, it will get the remaining count that is uncompleted to-dos and the length. Okay, okay, filter length. Okay, remaining uncompleted. Okay, and next is input button, submit form, input value input, unchanged set input event target value, and in this value input, and we click the button submitting, it will fire off this handle to do, handle add to do, and we go this function. Okay, event prevent default, so prevent the when submit the form, so the page not refresh. So we use this event prevent default, and text we got input trim. Okay, and submitting true we try await add doc to do collection, and text completed and created at use server timestamp. Okay, server time, and set input this. If error got error, and submitting false, and add doc await here add doc, and wait for this change. If this change and set input, set submitting also will trigger this function, because database have changed. On snapshot, we will get the to-dos, the new to-dos. Okay, this is a handle to-do. And next, the first form. And we got the to-dos. Okay, we got to-dos. If no to-do, we say no to-do yet. To-dos length 0. Okay, if we got to-dos, we map every to-do, we give this one. And we use key, because map we need every element, we need to have a unique key. And label input, we checkbox this, checked equals to do completed, and unchanged we click this, it will handle toggle to do. Okay, and we go this function handle toggle to do. Okay, set up try await update doc db to do. So we use this to do the ID. We give completed. We change the completed. Okay, await here. If it's done, onSnapshot will change to dos. Okay, so add to do. Okay, super to do. Add. Okay, and toggle. Checkbox. Cursor. And next to do map. Every to do we give this, and also a button to delete. Handle delete we give to do ID handle delete. Okay, I delete this, delete doc, use doc db to do, so we pass this ID in it. Okay, and also delete will fire this snapshot. Okay, perfect.